everybody, welcome to the 𝐂𝐸 Way. I'm Jessica. Today's video is actually going to be the first in a brand new collaboration where myself and Mary Hannah Wilson from Celebrate a Book are going to be sharing, in our opinion, the best, or at least our favorite, books to read each month of the year in your homeschool. So we're going to be starting with October, which is super exciting because spooky season is one of my favorites. I am going to be trying to share a mix of picture books, graphic novels, and chapter books. I'm hoping to be able to give you some that would work for like beginning readers, as well as some that would work for older kids or work well for read alouds. So that is my goal. I'm going to be bringing that to you each and every month along with Mary. Make sure you check out the description for the link to her channel so you can watch her videos as well. Let's go ahead and start with the picture books. Again, I'm just kind of showing you an assortment. We have How to Catch a Monster, as well as How to Catch a Witch. This whole series is super cute, so whichever you can find at your library, they're both winners. How to Make Friends with a Ghost, because ghosts need friends too. Bonaparte Falls Apart. This one is really, really cute if you're doing, I mean, it's cute no matter what, but it's extra cute if you're doing like a human body study. A personal favorite, Room on the Broom. Pumpkin Soup. Pumpkin Jack. And Creepy Pair of Underwear. Those are some of our top picture book suggestions for October. Now let's go ahead and talk about the graphic novels. We have Goosebumps by R.L. Stine. This one is The Haunted Mask. And then if you have a kid that's interested in, or you're okay with them learning more about the Salem witch trials, this is An Outbreak of Witchcraft, which is a graphic novel of the Salem witch trials. It's actually really, really beautifully done as well. And then we also have two History Smasher books. So we have the Salem Witch Trials, as well as Plagues and Pandemics. Both would be perfect for the month of October. Okay, now let's talk about chapter books. Again, I have a couple that would work for either younger kids or maybe first chapter books. The first two are Merlin Missions. I mean, come on, anything that's Magic Tree House, you guys know we love. So we have The Haunted Castle on Hallows Eve. And then Good Night for Ghost. We have The Incredibly Dead Pets of Rex Dexter. Castle Hangnell. This is a little bit of a thicker book. It's still really, really cute. It's like for 8 to 12-year-olds. So it could be that you're reading it aloud to your 8 to 10-year-old if this is a little much for them. Then I'm thinking maybe like 10 to 13. We have Coraline. Greystone Secrets, The Strangers. This one is a series, and we've read the whole series, and they're all super cute. But this specific one would be really, really great for October. And then The Witch of Blackbird Pond. Also a really great book. Now, if you are looking for even more books to add to your homeschool in October, I am going to link another thing in the description for you where I have listed 30 different books for October, including picture books, graphic novels, and chapter books, as well as this printable that you can take to the library with you that lists all of them out to make it easier for you. It will also link all of the ones that I showed you in today's video. And in addition to that, I'm going to link my top game suggestions for the month of October in case you're looking to add some games to your homeschool, as well as my free printables for October. That way, if you're just looking to add some extra fun to your homeschool in October, I will have you set with books, games, and fun free printables. Make sure you check out the description for the links to all of that, as well as how you can watch Mary's video to see her favorite and best book picks for the month of October.